Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Animate for free on your PC or Mac. First, click the link in the description below, which will take you directly to Adobe's official website. Once there, select the free trial option. Then choose the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial, plenty of time to dive into Adobe Animate and explore the full Creative Cloud Pro suite. Click Continue, then enter your email address and press Continue again. You'll be asked to fill out a quick form with your personal details and payment info. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends, and you can cancel any time before that. Once the form is complete, click Agree and subscribe. Next, create a secure password for your new Adobe account. Afterward, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app, install it, then log in with the same email you used to register. Once Creative Cloud opens, go to the Apps tab, scroll through the list, find Adobe Animate, and click Install. And that's it. Adobe Animate is now installed and ready to go. Start creating stunning animations, interactive content, and motion graphics like a pro. Plus, you'll have access to all the amazing tools in the Creative Cloud Pro suite. Don't forget, click the link in the description to try Adobe Animate and the full Creative Cloud Pro suite for free today. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.